stop wasting hours wrestling with keyframes just to move a camera. Watch this. This is Camera 3D Toolkit Pro for After Effects. The fastest way to get cinematic 3D moves without the headache. One click, it builds your camera rig, controller, and 3D setup. Pick any layer and hit target. The camera locks on. Adjust distance and timing for buttery smooth moves. No expressions, no guesswork. Need depth and parallax? Instantly spread layers in 3D and auto overlap animations so everything feels natural and alive. Want real film-like motion? Choose from 20+ professional camera shake presets, from subtle, handheld to full earthquake. Ready to drop into titles, parallax scenes, product shots, or UI reveals. Autofocus and true depth of field are built in, so your shots look expensive in seconds. Non-destructive clean controls works with your existing comps. Fully tested from After Effects CC 2018 to 2025 with free future updates. This will save you days. Work up to 10 times faster on complex shots. Get Camera 3D Toolkit Pro today. Link in the description. Available on AE Script.